makes the Speedy the racing bot. Hi, let's see this robot. Speedy car skin, the two things which and the lock, wheels, and any shape is okay, but circle there should be there, and a rocker switch, batteries, and hobby gear motor. Then remove this and connect it to here. Put it in and press. Same for the other side. Press. Press. Put the lock. Good. Then only it won't go away. Put the lock at the top and the bottom too. Now it has stick. Now there are two wires. Let us connect the wheels and a wooden stick in the hole and black washer, and put the round wheels in the black washer. Another side too. Don't put any type of wheel but the round wheel. Okay. Now Speedy's front wheel is ready. Another side too. You can put any shape at a gear motor. Okay, put it and press. Same for the other side too. But both sides should be same or different. Anything. Don't forget the blue exit. Put it inside. Then otherwise this and that will hit each other. And bumps will increase. Okay. Put. Yes. Now it's done. Put it tight and press. Don't forget to press. Then be careful at connecting wires. The red wire should connect the red wire and the black wire should connect the black wire. Don't connect it in the wrong way. Yes. Now connected. Oh no! It is too fast. It is falling. Oh no! Where it is going? Can't move. Oh wow! Put the skin. Otherwise, all the wires and others will show it. Yeah. Hi everybody. I am Speedy. Then let's start. Press as hard as you could. And start. Yeah! Whoa! I'm too fast. Help me. Dead. Now look here. I think now it will work fine. Oh wow! Whoa! Oh no! Speedy's wheel has broken down. Now let's see. The speed is too fast, so let's remove the triangle wheel and a gear wheel and put the gear wheel. Now it will be slow. Yes, now Speedy. Don't fall again. Show your best to other people. Okay, yo. What is happened? Oh, I have forgot. The wire is under the wheel. I need to take it upside. This is the problem. Don't leave the space between the black posture and the Speedy's body. It is not working. Please take the wire. It is boring, Speedy. Be a good man. When you are going to do and show. Oh yes, now you are showing. Wow! Ah, hell! Oh no! Yes, boom! Fallen down again. Now look. Oh yes! Oh no! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Yes! Out! Your name is not Speedy. Falling what? Now I think now you will be a good man. Oh no! Don't bump my someone. Oh.